Titanium Cutting Board. The titanium cutting board by Suteg offers a versatile and durable solution for various kitchen needs. With dimensions of 15-inch meters into 10 modules and a thickness of 1, it strikes a balance between size and functionality, making it suitable for preparing everything from fruits and vegetables to meats and cheeses. The combination of wheat straw PP and titanium not only adds to its aesthetic appeal, available in silver and dark gray, but also enhances its durability and resistance to wear and tear. One of the standout features of this cutting board is its double-sided design, which allows for a more efficient workflow in the kitchen. This reversibility can prevent cross-contamination by allowing you to dedicate one side for raw meats and the other for vegetables or cooked items, maintaining food safety. Additionally, the non-porous surface ensures that it does not absorb odors or stains, making it easy to maintain and clean. The board is designed with a non-slip feature that ensures stability during use, even when tackling the most stubborn ingredients. Measuring 2.27 pounds, it is lightweight enough to handle easily while still being substantial enough to avoid sliding around on the countertop. The product care instructions suggest it should be hand-washed only. However, the dishwasher-safe feature enhances convenience for busy home cooks.